What up, fam? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, last video of the day. I'm going to try to put in Algebra 1 and Algebra 2 information into this one. Let's start with Algebra 2. So, this is your dashboard, I think. Yeah, we're in the dashboard. That's right. Okay. Dashboard is terrible. Go over to the triple line and go to the Dynamic Student Edition. Yeah, the Dynamic Student Edition. Now we're in chapter 7. So this is a really dumb red menu, but if you click the back arrow, it takes you up to chapter 1, but then hit the back arrow that takes you out to all the chapters, and then go to chapter 7, and then go in to 7.3, multiplying, dividing, rational things, and you can do the exploration. See, this is like, you don't even need a teacher. It shows you everything. Look at that. 1 over x times x over x plus 1. The x's simplify. Whoa. And now you only have the 1. There's the 1. And the x plus 1. There's the x plus 1. But the fact that x cannot be 0 was erased. So got to put that. Okay, here's another one. How about 1 over x divided by x over x plus 1? And remember, the simpler way to divide fractions is actually to flip the second one over and then multiply, because then you just multiply across the top and get x plus 1, and multiply across the bottom and get x squared, and we're done. Now, this is an interesting fact. The original problem, x could not be -1, because then you'd be dividing by 0 before you do this division, which we are then flipping over into being multiplication. And you might be thinking, but wait, x cannot also be 0. That's true, but you can still see that in the final product here. You can't, 0 squared is 0, x cannot be 0. Also, you can't make it be -1 because of the original problem. All right, so explore these explorations or something. I don't know why they're not on the screen. Exactly. What's the next page? Oh, look, vocabulary, core concepts. Ooh, look at this concept. Look at these concepts. Study tips. Love it. And now we get to the very end. I can't really see down here. Let me see. All right. Exercises 1 to 57. So if you're working on a problem, maybe you can open up a different window. Get over here. Error. Retry. Learnosity failed to initialize. Initialize. How am I doing on time? Still recording? I got 2 minutes left. I paused it right when I was saying that. Maybe it sounded funny. I did not stutter. Menu. Oh, geez. Here we go. Here we go again. Well, at least we're in chapter 7.3. You could monitor some progress, I suppose. Yeah, let's try that. Don't tell me it's failing to initialize. Initialize. This is worse than Star Trek. Woo! X cannot be 4. So that's what these are going to be. And x cannot be. Ooh, we need to factor this. What multiplies to 8 but adds up to -6, -2, and -4. So x can also not. Well, x cannot be 4 again. Uh-oh. That's not good for us. 2. Do the x's cancel in the end? You can try to put 0 in. How do you check? You check this. Oh, down here. Okay, so scroll around. Yeah, I got the cannot be's, but I need to figure out this fraction. Okay, key point. Got to factor this. Let's see. Oh, my writing tools are gone. Oh, and the video is going to end in 30 seconds. All right, we'll get through this. So if you factor this into 2 binomials and factor out that x, oh, look, an x minus 2 is going to be a factor in the top and the bottom. Also, you got to flip over the second fraction. I didn't give you any division problems anyway. So, yeah, lots of resources. Scroll around.